Hello, my name is Gube Shinpan, and I'm here to take you on another burger adventure. Behind me, you can see Frank Burger. I don't know who Frank is, but I'm about to eat his burger. Ha! Let's go. All right, we're ready. Ready? Ready? Ready for a burger? I'm ready for a burger. It's been a little while because we eat a lot of Korean food lately because of Korean Thanksgiving, and now I'm ready for a burger. What are the 5 stars of the perfect burger? Taste. What's it taste like? Burger. Place. Are they nice like? Setting. Is this place nice? Shape. Way underestimated, dude. And then synergy, because it all comes together in my belly. Look at that beautiful burger. Oh, it's sweet and simple. I'm here to eat your burger, Frank. Frank Burger. Frank Burger. Good. Arthur, come here. Arthur, come here. Can you say Frank Burger? Frank Burger. Good job, dude. Your meat, dude. Here's your little burger. Okay, small size for small dudes. All right, so when we're on an adventure, we're gonna try new things. And sometimes those new things are like not good. That's the dragon. But the dragon stands in the way of the treasure. So when you try new things, you might get a dragon or you might get a burger. So here we go. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good. You can taste the flames of the grill. That's an exceptional point. So 1 star for taste right off the bat. And as you can see, the shape is right. Just right. I've got a feeling that the synergy's all gonna be there. Let's check it out. When it comes to burgers, tradition does it right. You know you're going on a good adventure when you find traditions. That's what that says. Traditional American burger, dude. You can't go. It's gonna be good. Don't show the camera. Dude, I think that's a pineapple. That's a pineapple on the burger. I'm totally surprised. That's new for me. I dig it. I like it. I want another pineapple. You want some pineapple? Okay, ready?
One pineapple. Mommy.
Okay. Oh, it's good, dude.
More.
More? More? Okay. Let me cut it in half for my dudes. Well, usually Gube Shinpan eats 2 burgers in a sitting, but you know, I've got my little dudes. And my little dudes like burgers too, you know, right? So I guess Daddy Gube is gonna eat 1 burger today. Here, little dude. Here you go, little dude. Well, Frank Burger, thank you. I needed a good burger. You got 1 star for taste, 2 stars for shape, 3 stars for setting. It's hard to go wrong when you can sit outside, right? And what's the place like? Computer, not my favorite. But synergy was all there. That's a 4-star burger. I recommend Frank Burger when you need a burger. Arthur doesn't like the vegetables. Thanks, Frank Burger. Say thank you, Frank Burger. Good. You should try. Okay. Come here, I'm low.